5:16 right now. I want to take a look at what the weather is doing, how it's impacting the roads. We're going to start with Kelly and the calm before the storm this morning, Kelly.
Yeah, pretty much. Even though we are seeing some light rain showers now working across the Portland metro area. You may notice a drizzle out there. Don't worry, it's not ice. It may be de-icer on the roads, glistening, but we are seeing some light rainfall in Portland. The drive is still okay at this point. I do see some change, though, as we head our way into later this evening. Let's start with current temperatures. I like this view. You can see a very nice visual of where all of that cold Arctic air is. It's well to the east of us here, out towards areas of Idaho, into areas of Montana, Missoula, and Bozeman, sitting in the single digits to -10 degrees. So a big winter time influence there with that polar vortex. That is that Arctic air mass that is seeping into areas of the Midwest. We will tap into this cold air as we head into today. We're already seeing some gusty winds from the gorge. The mechanism for snow in Portland is to pull in this cold air right through the gorge here. We do see that east wind, so winds from the east pumping in that cold air and really picking up the winds as we head our way into this afternoon. So by tonight, a chance we start to transition our precipitation to snowfall, and that may continue into our Friday. Let's take a look at current winds right now. It is starting to get a little breezy here in Troutdale and out to Corbett. You can see their sustained winds are at 20 miles per hour. I suspect we are getting some wind gusts closer to 25 out there, and we do have Core Harlan reporting live this morning from that area, and he'll bring us updates. But it is windy now, and that is that cold air on its way into Portland. We also do have a blizzard warning in place for the west end of the gorge. I do want to say that those gusts may pump up to about 55, even 70 miles per hour. We'll see blowing snow, very cold temperatures. So all that snow out there, more in that blizzard form. It'll be extremely difficult to drive as we head our way into the afternoon. At this point in the morning, it still looks okay, just a bit wet out towards Troutdale, but we'll start to see that snow continuing to fall as we head into our lunchtime hour and beyond, and possibly I-84 even shutting down if these conditions again continue to pull in that snow with these very gusty winds in the forecast. So we'll be tracking that closely here. A very tough drive towards the gorge heading into today. Right now on our satellite radar, you can see rain showers are pushing through Portland. We're still sitting in the mid to upper 30s now, so not seeing this falling as snow, but you can see here out towards the foothills of Washington, that's where some cold air is seeping into areas of southwest Washington, and we are starting to see some snow. So this rain will start to pick up as we head towards our afternoon hours, and as we mix in some of that cold air, we could see some patchy rain or snow here around Portland, possibly even some freezing rain down towards areas of Salem as that cold air seeps in. So here's one model depicting all rain still as we head towards about 2 p.m. here across Portland and much of the valley. So okay to drive, but as we head towards our evening commute home tonight from work around 5 to 6, we can start to see some patchy rain, sleet, possibly a mix of rain and snow or even snowfall starting to seep on in as we head our way into the evening hours. This model does put snow down as we head towards 10 p.m. tonight, and that snow continues into our early morning hours on Fridays. There's a good chance we see sustained snowfall through Friday morning, and that's when we stack up the inches of snow here in Portland. Also notice that big gradient of snow here in Portland and further towards the north, and then all of this pink here. That is a mixture of freezing rain and some snow rain mix. So I do see a larger icing event as we head our way into Saturday, possibly. Portland and areas north and east of the city possibly getting snow, whereas everywhere south of Portland down through Salem sees more of a significant icing event. So that'll be something that we watch as we head our way into the next couple of days here. Icing along with some snowfall. Here's a look at a number of models and what they are forecasting in terms of snow totals. So take a look here. This is 5 different models and their spaghetti plots here. You can see as we head our way towards tonight, we can see maybe 1 to 2 inches of snow. And as we head into our morning hours on Friday at 8 to 11 in the morning, we could see a range of maybe, again, 2 inches to 8 inches for some of those more aggressive models. So this snowstorm could bring a good amount of snow here as we head our way into the day tomorrow and then again over the weekend. I do want to point out today's scenario, again, that gusty east wind ramps up. We start out with morning rain showers, but a patchy sleet or rain snow mix could pick up throughout the afternoon as moisture also picks up there. By the evening time, a chance we do transition to more of a snow setup here with 1 to 2 inches possible. So here's our 7-day forecast. I do see the best chance for snowfall on Friday. We'll see probably the largest impacts going into tonight through Friday and then again into our Saturday morning. Take a look at temperatures too. We're expecting to see those dropping to below freezing heading into tomorrow. Carly.
Well, we're going to start with several traffic alerts I have.